Hey guys, welcome to my channel Tech with Sourav. I'm Sourav Dutta and today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix reboot and select proper boot device. This error means that your computer cannot find the Windows attached drive. To fix this problem, follow this step. First, restart your computer. As soon as the computer restart, keep pressing the Del or F2 key until you enter the BIOS setup. After enter the BIOS setup, go to the exit bar. After reaching the exit menu bar, select load optimal defaults and press the enter key. Click OK immediately after pressing the enter key. Selecting load optimal defaults will correct any settings in your BIOS that may have been configured incorrectly. After that, go to the boot section. After accessing the boot section, go to the boot device priority and ensure that the hard disk is selected as the first boot device. Then go back to the hard disk drive section and check that the hard disk is selected as the first drive. If it is not, select it is the fast drive. Once the drive is selected, save the BIOS settings by pressing the F10 key on the keyboard. After this, the computer will restart and hopefully no problem will appear. However, if the hard disk is not showing up in the BIOS, proceed the next solution. Check the physical cable connection. If the drive does not show up in the BIOS menu, it might be disconnected. First turn off the computer, then open your PC case. Check the SATA cable and power cable to ensure the hard drive is seated securely. Unplug and replug them. First disconnect the SATA and power cable from the hard disk. Then after cleaning it thoroughly, connect the SATA cable and power cable to the hard disk just as I am doing. Then press the CPU power button to start it. I hope further problem will arise after the computer startup. I hope this video help you. Please share it with your friends also. If you have any doubt related to this, let us know in the comment box below. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.